It says it's me.
Well, and you don't have to read it out. I just want you to read that. Look at that yourself. Ms. Bryant, you looked at State's Exhibit 54?
Yes.
After looking at that, does it refresh your recollection about whether the defendant texted you at 11:51 saying it's me?
No.
It doesn't refresh your recollection? Okay. Well, let me ask you, did he text you at 11:51 saying it's me?
If you have it on the paper, I'm sure, but I don't remember. I don't remember for July 2022.
And I understand. You've been aware since the defendant's arrest that he's been charged with these offenses, right?
Yes.
You talk to him on a regular basis?
Yes.
Now, so you're pretty familiar with a lot of the facts in the case?
I mean, what you've told me.
You and I have talked before.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, Deputy, would you take the phone?
Yes.
Hold on just a moment. Oh, is it your phone?
Yeah, and I just dropped it on the thing. I'm sorry. I put it on the bench.
All right, it's the witness's phone. No, it needs to be turned off.
Right out. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Turned off. No problem. We all forget. Thank you, Debbie.
Are you aware that the day that we're talking about, July 26th of 2022, are you aware that's the night that Ms. Morales, the victim in the case, went missing?
You told me this about 2 weeks ago when you and I spoke on the phone, and I told you I had to go back through my pictures to see that date, but I don't recall.
Let me ask you, that night, do you remember the defendant coming over to your house and knocking on the door or coming into your home in any way?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, that same night, and I know it's been a long time ago, that same night, the defendant told Ms. Meyer that he was on the phone with you, said that he was talking to his mama, and around 10:58 p.m. Do you recall having a phone conversation with him that night?
No.
Are you aware that his phone records show no call taking place between the two of you at that time or any time that night?
I don't remember anything about July, that date. I don't know. We talk all the time, but I don't know the dates. I can't tell you. I talked to him in June or July, August.
You talk to him frequently.
Yes.
Would you say it was about every day?
Not every day.
Okay. Do you recall the next morning? So this is not July 26th, but the next day, July 27th, at around 6 a.m. in the morning, you responded to your son's text message, the "It's me" text message, and asked him what's up. Do you remember sending him that text message?
I mean, it's possible. I don't remember.
But do you have any recollection in between those times, 11:51 p.m. till approximately 6 a.m., do you have any recollection of seeing or talking to your son that night at all?
I don't know. I don't remember. I mean, his schedule, he worked at night, so he called in the mornings when he got off, but I can't tell you that day.
Were you aware that he was not working that night?
I'm not aware. Like I told you on the phone, we were out of town, so when we came back, I'm sure I talked to him, but I don't remember.
And I understand, and that's all right. I do appreciate you being here and answering questions. Thank you, ma'am.
I'm Miss Bryant. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I just have a question for you. If you and your husband were asleep or if y'all were not at home or something, is there a way that Miles would have access to your home?
Yes.
And how is that?
He has a garage door opener.
And how does that get him into your home if he's able to get into the garage?
He comes through the garage and comes through the house, comes inside through the kitchen.
So do you leave the door unlocked?
Yes.
Inside the garage?
Yes.
Okay. That's all I have. Thank you, ma'am.
Anything further from the state? May we release this witness?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, you're released. You can stay in the courtroom if you'd like, or you can leave. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
And Judge, I apologize. I misspoke. I am asking this should be subject to recall, but I have no issue with her remaining in the courtroom if she so chooses.
Okay. All right, you sure?
Yes, Your Honor. I spoke to Ms. Bryant about that before and to Ms. Drake.
Okay, well, Ms. Bryant, let me just tell you, you're still under subpoena, so the state may call you at some time later, but you may remain in the courtroom at this time. Thank you. All right, state call is next witness.
The state is going to call Synovia Parks.